Greetings from Puerto, Cruz, from Tenerife, from Paradise. Happy Wednesday. A beautiful, warm, lovely morning here. Video about the weather. So it's 10:30, around 22 degrees. The Kalima is gone, so we are expecting only 23-4 degrees today. In shadow, of course.
Is it all part of the same one or not?
Let's go to Playa Martianes. Different segments moving. Last time I showed you they were moving on the top, now they are moving on the bottom as well. Charger batteries. El Niño and his long shadow. A very gentle ocean this morning. Means no surfers.
Take it with you. I wanted to hide something in a basket of the fisher women. Very close. So yeah, you can
So have a lovely Wednesday. Best wishes from Puerto Cruz, from this amazing paradise. El Niño is too hot, we have to go. Because on the sun is really hot. Come, come baby, come, come, come. Good boy, come, come, come.